at your stupidity. The only way to get out of here is to help us attack Springfield. Aim your craft at your fellow humans. You'll like it. We do.
Here's Homer.
Let your spaceship do the work.
Behug us!
I'm literally trying to go up.
Put your tentacles into it.
Back it up!
Stop it!
Where am I carrying?
Which thing is their face?
Attention humans, please do not lean out of your spaceships to hit the targets. Move your spaceships up and down to hit the targets.
Let the smiles off their faces.
How's he, kid?
They're humans, not Rigel Moon people. Human Twirl! Alien Twirl! And Twirl.
Behug us!
Next time, it's your dog time. Avoid their puny defenses.
Where am I carrying?
What are you doing over here?
It's broken.
I think you're
Their
broken.
heads will adorn my library bubble.
I tried.
Well, that was fun.
Once again, humans, do not lean out of your spaceship.
Quip, any fun you may have had was completely accidental and should be forgotten immediately.
Look how much lower mine is than the other.
Congratulations, humans, for destroying Springfield. Now, for your safety, please stay seated until the ride comes to a full and complete stop. Once again, do not stand up, do not unbuckle, do not get up until the ride stops. Thank you.
Now you may undo your seatbelts and exit.